Hey guys, I want to do a video on the Gilles levers, the clutch levers and the brake levers that I purchased for the S1000RR. Plan to install these aftermarket levers. These are called the FXCL Black Gilles. This is type FXL. So this is the clutch one. And you give you the option of installing a red, silver, or keep the black wheel on it. So these are pretty nice here. High quality for sure. Definitely well machined. Serial number there. The Gilles symbol right there. And they also have the brake oil point right there. And the details on these are pretty amazing. You see that right there? The engravings right here. Nice, right? So that's the clutch lever. And this is the brake lever here. So it had the black wheel, but I changed up to the red wheel. And I didn't see a video of how to change the wheel. So I figured let me just let you know that what you got to do is to change up the wheel here. You have to take out this bushing. You can take it out from here, from the wider side. Take it out, remove it. And then once you remove that, this whole piece comes out right here. And once you do that, then you could unscrew and then insert the whatever color you want. In this case, I chose red, and then you could screw it right back on. And then put the bushing in and you're good. So I just wanted to show you guys how to do that. In case anybody had a question about that, see Gilles symbol right there. Definitely nice to the touch for sure. So wanted to show you guys that. And so right there, you got the left clutch and the right by Gilles. All right, guys.